Hi, this video is going to be on the themes of religion and prejudice in The Merchant of Venice. So at the beginning of the play, the theme is most apparent between the Jewish characters and the Christian characters. So we have Shylock, a Jewish man, saying that he hates Antonio because he's a Christian, and this sets the tone for the rest of the play because later on we see Shylock's daughter Jessica run off with Lorenzo. She converts to Christianity to marry him, and Shylock sees this as very disrespectful and it ruins their relationship. But we also see this prejudice the other way around. So a lot of the Christian characters use very anti-semitic language towards Shylock, and the audience at the time may have had mixed feelings therefore towards Shylock because he receives a lot of hatred because of his religion, but he also carries out a lot of bad deeds in the play and shows a lot of hatred himself. And considering the anti-Semitic sentiment of Britain at the time, this would have also contributed to their wavering feelings about Shylock. Another way in which we see prejudice in the play is during the casket riddle. The Prince of Morocco takes part in this, and Portia uses racist language towards him. So hopefully you can see how the themes of religion and prejudice are key to understanding The Merchant of Venice. Thanks for listening.